that's what we're hard coding to grow right now. So see what happens. So we're just going to debug that. And whenever I'm speaking, the thing should be growing, basically. Where's the debug? You should be growing, you should be growing, but you're not. Okay, so that's interesting that this isn't being called. Ah, you know what it is? No, I don't know what it is. Okay. I'm gonna put a printf here. Ah, okay. Okay. I got it. I got it, dog. Check this out. We don't even need that. I'll leave the comment for resize, or refit, recenter the object. Yeah. So this is referring, no, don't think so, but maybe. Okay, that's not a useful comment, but I'm going to leave it, because it means something. What was I going to type? I'm really ADHD right now. Update position with time step. Ah, yes. Okay. Yeah, everything is in our belt entity. So belt entity itself doesn't have update positions with time step call. So that means it uses the normal physics entity one. And that does a bunch of stuff. But it does not know about the child, the mic entity child and the effect entity child. And let me just check that it doesn't do anything weird. So, yeah, this guy. Okay, it does the actual friction and adjustment. It doesn't do that much. It applies the forces that have been added to it in a collision resolution. And we can have belt entity still do that stuff. It probably doesn't need it, but it's not going to hurt to do this. Can you just do that? Yeah. I can't do that. Time step. Time step. Okay, we have it do that, but we also do the children now. So we can probably grab the children from something like this. Yeah. And probably doesn't matter before or after. Yeah. We don't need that. We don't need that. And we instead need that. Yep. So yeah, the problem was that we weren't updating anymore because we now hide these guys within the belt, and the game engine doesn't know anything about them. So we have to pass the update call down to it. Yes. There might be a couple other cases where stuff like that is true. Just like the collision event we now pass down. So now I think the things will grow, and they'll probably grow too fast. So let's try it out. Hey, how's it going? Are you gonna get really, really, really long? You can. Oh, that's neat. Now they actually have room to breathe. Before in their little labyrinth, they couldn't get past certain size. Yeah, so that's nice. Now we have objects of funny sizes. Yeah. Well, we fixed that problem. And that's to be celebrated. Yeah. I think for the dynamic floor computation, well, I could do that. That's not so bad. So, a good example is, if I turn on the air conditioner, it's not that hot right now. Yeah. As much as I don't want people to think I just waste energy all the time, I could use that. It will help me a lot to test this. So it kind of sounds like there's an airplane in my room now. And now if I run the thing, watch what happens. Oh yeah, camera's here now. Okay, so I'm gonna keep talking. It doesn't matter because the mic just keeps going. I have to cover the mic before anything can happen. And even then, it might not work. So I cover it and I release, and then it might be able to start again. Start again. But it won't release because the noise floor has changed and we have a hard-coded value in there right now. So what do? We're going to get these infinitely long sounds and we can't do anything about it because of the noise floor, the hard-coded noise floor. So this is what we can do. I actually wrote this code once already, so I think I'm just going to look that up. Let me think about for a second where that might be. Yeah, I think I can use this. So, I think it's in, might be in this one. So there's some old projects. It's not in here. Where did I put it? I just made a prototype for this voice reversal weirdo game thing. Yeah, it could be in one of these Chinen thingamabobs. There's definitely a lot of stuff in it related to sounds, but that's not it. Could it be in... I remember it was a palindrome. That's all I remember. Nope, not that. Okay. Not in this folder. That probably means it's on my old Mac. And on my disk. Which I have around here somewhere. Let me just think about this for a second. I'm gonna look on my Mac right now. I'm gonna plug that disk in. Excuse me. I have it just, yeah, here it is. Alright, so unfortunately I have to take the iPhone out for a little while. It doesn't really matter. But having two USB ports can only be dealt with for so long. Okay. So hopefully I can find it. It's not the most complicated code to do a noise floor. But if I've already done it, I'd kind of just like to use it again. And maybe I can analyze it and improve on it this time, instead of making the same mistakes twice. So... yeah, I think I found it. It's called Pongnopong, or Redivider Prototype. One of those two. I think it's called Redivider Prototype. Let me try Redivider. No. Okay. Yeah, so I'll show you. I have the app too saved, so I can run it. So I have to click select the input, so I'm just going to use the built-in mic on my Mac. So there's a lot of noise in this room. And hey, how's it going? Oh no, this is too complicated. This is definitely not going to work. I think I have to press a key or something. What? Okay, there's a README, so we should read that. This is the prototype. See my website. It's not fully functional. You press start, the game starts counting down, the microphone becomes active. It gets a room profile of the noise, so the game can discern your noise, your room noise, and your voice. Fact. Okay, yeah. So you have to like say a sound, and then the partner player should say the reverse of the sound and add something to it. Okay, I'll just demonstrate. It's a really weird game anyway, if it's even a game. Okay, so once I hit start, this current time left is gonna count down, and that's just for the noise floor. Then after that I can speak. So let's try fat. Fat! Fat! Ah, shit. I use Soundflower. Built-in microphone. Okay, ready? Go. Fat. Taff. Dog. Oh, okay.